Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to upgrade our Kubernetes nodes. So our today's question is given an existing Kubernetes cluster running version 1.31.0. Upgrade all of the Kubernetes control plane and node components on the master node only to version 1.31.1. Be sure to drain the master node before upgrading it and uncordon it after the upgrade. So let's move on to our killer coder playground. Here, KubeADM version. You can check your version here. So this is version 1.31.0, kubelet-version. This is 1.31.0 and kubectl version. This is 1.31.0. If you want to check your node version, kubectl get nodes. This shows the version here. So we just have to upgrade our control plane right now, as per the question. So I'm going to clear this. Let's move on to kubernetes.io documentation page. Inside this documentation page, search for a kubeadm upgrade. And select this first one, and here it will show you how to upgrade your node. So as per the question, it is given that be sure to drain the master node before upgrading it and uncordon it after the upgrade. We have already done this in the previous video, how to drain the node, but still I'm going to show you here, get nodes. We have to drain the control plane, drain control plane hyphen ignore hyphen daemon sets. It is going to evict all the pods that are running in this particular node. I'm going to clear this. This is done. Get nodes. You can check the status here. It is visible. So we are in the documentation page, upgrading kubeadm cluster. This is going to help you how to upgrade this. So if you are not aware about whether you are using Ubuntu, whether you are using CentOS, RHEL, just check it here. cat/etc OS release. We are using Ubuntu right now. So as per this, we are going with this Ubuntu Debian. Copy this command sudo apt update, and then sudo apt cache medicine kubeadm. This is going to show you the latest patches that are available. So you can see this. We have to upgrade it till here. As per the question, we have to upgrade masternode only to version 1.31.1. So here is this version we need to upgrade. Again, move back to the documentation. Here, upgrading control plane node. We are going to copy this. Then sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install. Here you have to add the version. So version we have here. We'll just copy this and paste it in here. Oh, I think I've done this twice. I'm just going to copy this again, paste it here, and copy this. I'm going to replace it here. So this is done. Enter. Now sudo apt mark hold qvadium and enter. So this is going to take some time. This is setting up your qvadium to the particular version that you have selected, and now it is done. Now we can check the qvadium version from here, qvadium version command. You can see that we have checked it before we have started the question. It was version 1.31.0 and now it is version 1.31.1. Then we are going to check the upgrade plans. So here it is showing the component wise upgrade plans here. You can check from here what is your current version and what is the target version you can upgrade it to. And now we are going to just upgrade apply. 1.31.1. Yes. This takes some time, so just wait for 4-5 minutes. And now it is done. You can see that upgrade successful and it has been upgraded to version 1.31.1. This is also showing what you'll see in the page. And then if you want to upgrade your node, other nodes also, these are the steps you have to follow. Now we have to upgrade our kubelet and kubectl packages. So we'll just copy this, paste it here. This is the version. We'll just replace this and here also. The last thing is sudo apt mark hold kubelet and kubectl. So I'm going to paste this, enter. You can see that this is unpacking the kubelet package, kubectl packages, and now this is done. So we have to run this command sudo systemctl daemon reload, and the last thing is sudo systemctl restart kubelet. So it is done. One more step is remaining, kubectl uncordon node. So we have drained the node k get nodes. We have to uncordon this node, kubectl uncordon control plane. This is uncordon k get nodes. If you'll check here, both the nodes are in ready state now, and you can see the version also. This node is upgraded to version 1.31.1. kubectl version. This is also updated to 1.31.1, and kubadium version. This we have already checked. So this is 1.31.1. So that's it for today's video. It is upgraded now. Thanks for watching.